Hello, to man again, like boom, yeah, boom, boom. Thank you for everybody who supports Habby Business, HABBY business.com. Really appreciate the love and the support. Couldn't do this without you, so really appreciate you supporting the family business. And again, a special thank you to everybody who's been supporting the new Habby Business Start Now TV podcast on Spotify. Really appreciate feeling the love. Thank you for those who've sent in some feedback, and also for those who've also sent some questions through. And that's actually one of the reasons I'm doing this video, is to promote my new episode, which is based on one of the questions that was sent through. And the question was basically around generating sales. And this person basically said, look, okay, fantastic, amazing. I'm setting up a business. What next? What happens? How do I generate sales? How do I boost my sales for? So I've done a new episode now in terms of generating sales for your business, and I'm just going to summarize some of the things they talk about in the podcast, but you obviously be able to listen to it in more detail. Which is basically number one, in terms of your sales strategy, is understanding your target audience. So it's always important to understand your target audience in terms of your ideal customer. And also I talk about number two, it's about enhancing your online presence. So invest in user-friendly website, work on your SEOs to better improve visibility and attract organic traffic to your website. If you don't have a website and you're more of a physical shop, I've talked about actually just making your physical store or shop more appealing, welcoming in terms of how you do the layout. And then number three, basically just talked about implementing effective marketing strategies and campaigns. And I've just outlined some of the details in terms of how you can do that. And number four, I've talked about offering promotions and incentives, and I've given some ideas in terms of what you can do in terms of offers and incentives and promotions to help boost the sales for your business that you are doing or you've managed to set up. And then number five, it's obviously just providing, again, this is a key thing, excellent customer service, because this will help in terms of building a loyal customer base. It's help in terms of building retention for your customers, and they want to come back again. Word of mouth comes into play because they'll tell other people about your business, and more people want to check out your website, want to come into your store to buy some of your products. And then number six, which is basically around analyzing and optimizing your data. So using things like social media to promote in terms of Instagram, Facebook, and I've just gone into a little bit more detail in terms of how you can look at analytical data and how to do the analytical data on your Facebook, on Twitter, or Instagram, or even TikTok as well. So feel free to listen to that if you're interested in terms of finding out more information about how to generate sales for your business now that you've set it up. And if you haven't already listened to my previous podcast, which is around unleashing your business ideas with pretty much zero budget or no money, please have a listen on podcast, and then that will follow up with how to generate the sales you need for your business to survive and to be a viable business. Thank you very much for always supporting the movement. Like, boom, yeah, have a good week. God bless you.